Roaming costs are prohibitive in Korea, so I opted to get a SIM card. I can't do an eSIM, so I opted for a physical SIM option. Doing some research, all of the offerings had just like 3 gig of data per day or 1 gig, and it seemed pretty expensive. But on this particular website, you can get 10 gig every day for a pretty reasonable price. So I chose this option. It gives you data and calls, so unlimited data, calls and messaging, all for this one price of about 54,000 won. And the plan lasts 30 days. The site only allowed me to buy 1 SIM at a time, up to a maximum of 2 SIMs in total. And I needed to enter the passport information for each person that would be having the SIM. The website looked really dodgy, so I was really glad when I got a confirmation email and I actually got the SIM, which is why I'm doing this tutorial. So it is a legit website. So I'm just going to show you that email and also how to use the SIM when you get it. You likely won't have connectivity as soon as you step off the plane, and you are going to need this reservation number. So I recommend that you take a picture, a screenshot of this email so that you can show it to the person at the pickup desk in order to be able to get your SIM. And that pickup desk is found in Terminal 2, 1F, Arrival Desk number 20. They might have a stand also in Terminal 1, but I can't remember, so you're going to have to check the website for that. Let me show you the stand in Terminal 2 because it so does not look like a mobile phone stand. Yep, this is it. Airport van. Handover was pretty simple, just gave her my passport and the reservation number, and she gave me the SIM. Here's how to set it up. I now have 2 SIMs in my phone, so I'm giving my new temporary SIM a name, Korea. To make sure I don't incur accidental charges, I set up the SIM as the preferred SIM for calls, messages, and data. The great thing about this plan is that the mobile data will cover you both for MMS and also hotspot, so you'll be able to use your SIM as a hotspot for other devices. Again, to prevent incidental charges, I kept the data switching and backup calling off. And hey presto, as you can see, I'm connected, and this SIM connects to the KT network, so a good reliable network with wide coverage. And here's the confirmation text from EG saying that I'm connected and the SIM is good to go. EG recommends to do all of this before you leave the desk at the airport so they can resolve any problems before you leave. I now have a local Korean number and can make and receive phone calls. I didn't find this deal through Klook, which I think is just full of sponsored links. So do share this video with anyone that you know who's going to South Korea and would like to get a good deal on their mobile phone data. Thanks for watching.